Today we're going to the zoo. Would you like to go to the zoo with me? Here is the map of the zoo. First we will visit the bears. Did you know that most brown bears come from Alaska? Are you sleepy, Mr. Bear? The cheetah is a large cat from Africa. Do you notice all the spots on the cheetah? Did you know birds live all over the world? What color do you see on the bird's feathers? Blue and yellow. What's your favorite animal? You like tigers, right? Did you know monkeys like to swing from trees? What are you eating, Mr. Monkey? Did you know that giraffes mostly eat leaves and fruit? So eat your vegetables so you can grow big and strong. Do you notice the zebra's black and white stripes? Zebras like to eat grass and other bushes. What's your favorite animal? Did you say zebra? You like the black and white stripes. Did you know hippos keep cool by laying in the water? Hi, Mr. Hippo. Did you know that the elephant is the world's largest land animal? Are you thirsty, Mr. Elephant? Hi there, Panda Bear. Can you jump like a kangaroo? Flamingos are so pretty with their pink feathers. Alligators like to play in the mud. Do you like to play in the mud? Giraffes love eating carrots. How many humps do you see on the camel's back? 1, 2. 2 humps. Giraffes like to play together. Here are all my favorite animals. Did you know the lion is a large cat from Africa and India? We had so much fun today at the zoo. Thank you for coming. Mom says we had a long fun day at the zoo and now it's time for a picnic. Did you have fun? It's time for us to go home. I had so much fun today. Thank you for coming by.